I may be your hope in, bro, give me some game on how I get out these streets. Bro, give me some game how I get out this college trap. Bro, give me some game how I get out this corporate trap. I'm latching on. I seen you made it. I seen you care. I seen you give back. I seen you shut down Houston for discrimination. I seen you fighting for Alan Sterling down in Baton Rouge. I seen you fighting for Freddie Gray down in Baltimore front line. I seen you on HBO Vice when the feds is talking about black identity extremists. I seen you standing up and riding for our people, even with multi-millionaire status, even raising $10 million in 7 days to Tulsa Real Estate Fund. Yeah. The first black-owned real estate crowdfunding in the history of this country. Yeah. Even though I got no college education, I founded my own school. But I seen you grind Jay-Morrison-Academy the last 4 years to number 588 on the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies in America. Yeah. So maybe I'm a little bit of a latch and hope for you, but y'all know how much of a lap of hope y'all are for me and for our people. Because if I came with the same message, the same energy, and 10 people showed up, I feel like we were doomed.